I have over 30 gifts, $35 and under. Everything I talk about will be linked in that description box below. In fact, many of these items are on sale and include a coupon. So if you're interested, make sure that you grab them now. I first bought this scarf in the color black. I loved it so much, I had to buy it in the pink, and then I had to buy it in the beige. They also wash up very nicely. It's like a blanket scarf, so it's relatively thick. You can jazz up and style almost any outfit. I love wearing this with more of a thin shirt. You could also wear this with a t-shirt depending upon the weather. You can wear this with a sweater. You can do it so many different things with these scarves. There are also multiple colors available. Oh, and the number on screen will correspond with the number in the description box. This teacup slash coffee cup is a must for your coffee lovers and tea lovers. This comes in 2 styles. Look at how beautiful this is. And then this is the packaging that it came in. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this because if you are doing tea, you have a nice stir spoon here, or if you're making mochas or lattes, and then you can go ahead and put your tea bag here on the top, drop this in here. This washes up beautifully. This is great for a relaxation gift if you wanted to do a whole set related to that, or just by itself. Thumbs up if you can relate to this when you make your coffee and then you find yourself leaving it around your house or having to heat it up multiple times in your microwave. So I wanted to solve that problem. This is awesome. It comes in multiple colors. All you have to do is plug it in. You don't have to turn anything on, and then you put your teacup or your coffee mug on top and it works phenomenally well. I bought this in the purple lavender color, and then you just take your coffee mug or tea cup off and it automatically turns itself off. And my friend, this absolutely will keep anything warm that you want it to. Kitchen countertops, I like them clear and clean. I love this knife holder. I hate the blocks that has all of the steak knives in it when you hardly ever use the steak knives, like 10 of them, at least that's my case. But this is so easy to clean. Look at the slots right there. I used to have a bamboo one here on my countertop, which I loved, but I will say the little grass inside it started to get packed down, and then it made it difficult to put your knives inside, but not this one. It's also easy to clean shall you need to do it. It's relatively lightweight, yet it holds everything that you need. Games, such a great way to bond, not only for kids, but for adults. I love this one because it is wooden, nice and sturdy. It comes with 3 games in here. We have tic-tac-toe, we have chess, and we have checkers. Fun fact, every week I take my son out to dinner and then we go and play a game of checkers together at whatever restaurant that we have decided. So it's easy to transport to and fro in this nice box here. My kids are loving this. My husband and I also like to play games together. It keeps the fun going. I'm gonna take you somewhere unexpected. I have 2 girls, 4 kids in total, if you are curious, but I needed a hair accessory holder, and I have it here in this closet in my first level because I do their hair every single morning, so I needed it convenient. I love this. You could put this as a decoration in any bedroom. What's great about it, you just clip whatever hair ties that you want to. You can put a ton on here, but you could also loop headbands. It also came with different S-hooks that you could hook down here if you wanted to do more of the head wrap style headband, but the possibilities are endless. Loving this. Taking you into this drawer right here, let me show you these. Multiple came in a pack. These are so adorable, and again, they wash up great. These cute owl socks are a must-have. I love the little detail on here. Multiple colors. They are thick. I wish you could feel it, but not too thick. I mean, the quality on this sock is wonderful. These are great for stocking stuffers, or again, you could wrap these up and pair it with several of the other items that I've shown you here today. Sometimes it can be tricky to find gifts for all those that help you in your life. So I got these really cute coffee cup teacher notepads. Multiple came in a pack with the pen. So what I'm going to do is create a treat bag and then put one of these inside of the treat bag. So it's just a nice little thoughtful gift for gymnastics instructors, dance instructors, school teachers, Sunday school teachers. And I love this right here because as a teacher, it's nice to know, is this for your class? Is this for your home? Or is this for me? And it has a nice space up here where they can put whatever they want to. Along these same lines, I'm also going to put one of these sticky pads in the little gift set, but I love these because they're inspirational. It says, make yourself a priority, a nice little reminder, don't stop believing, keep your head up, and then laugh more, worry less. These are just a few options that are available in this collection, but I always use sticky pads. I cannot get enough of these. Thumbs up if you can relate to that. I'm going to show you my goodie box here, but more specifically what's inside. I like to leave thoughtful notes for my kids in in their lunches, but you could basically leave them anywhere you want to. But the best part about this is they have jokes on them, so it's fun for them to share them with their friends at lunchtime. So for example, what did 0 say to 8? And it says, nice belt. And then I like to put a cute little note in here, but these are so adorable. My kids get excited to open their lunch each day and share the joke with their friends. Give me another thumbs up if you can relate. Your hands get dry in the wintertime. I know mine do and my daughters do. What's nice about these, it came in a 6-pack. They wash up beautifully, but it allows you to play on your cell phone should you desire. So what I like to do is put a little lotion on them. I'm going to show you #1 bestseller here in just a second, and then put your hands in here. You can leave them in for a couple hours, 20 minutes, or you could just leave them overnight depending upon the dryness of your cuticles and your hands. Which brings me to the #1 bestseller, Relaxing and Hydrating Dry Skin. You can use this on your heels, my friend. So just stick this in the pair of wool socks that I showed you previously before bedtime, or you can use these in the gloves. What I love about this is tea tree oil, aloe vera, and chamomile. Want to get your kids or grandkids excited about brushing their teeth? Watch this. I got these for every single one of my kids. So I got these in 4 different colors. There's multiple settings on here depending upon what you want to do. It's easily chargeable. It just charges here at the bottom. It came with multiple brush heads, which is really nice. There's also a 2-minute timer on this. Yes, so your kids know when to stop brushing their teeth. Love these, lightweight, easy for travel. Again, if you need some assistance when it comes to helping your kids brush their teeth and get excited about it, this is a game changer. No joke. Also, your dentist and dental hygienist will thank you for this because this is going to get in all those nooks and crannies that are otherwise difficult to get with a normal toothbrush. Oh, and did I mention these are a #1 bestseller as well? This next one is a goodie, my friend, and in fact, it was on sale the last time I checked, but this pancake / muffin dispenser is a game changer. I saw this from somebody else and I thought, do I really need one more kitchen gadget? But this is amazing. I'm going to show you a clip here in just a second demonstrating how this works. This is amazing. It squirts out the bottom. You squeeze it right in here. You can put all your ingredients inside there. Cleans up nicely, and then as you squeeze your pancakes or your muffins into their containers, you just set this on top. That way nothing is dripping all over your countertop. And again, I just mixed everything right inside here. I love this. This has helped me in so many ways because normally I would just use a bowl or a spoon to pour the pancakes on the griddle or into the muffin tin, and it would be unequal distribution, but this helps in so many ways. Who doesn't love anything chocolate, white chocolate dipped? I showed this in a previous video. I made some chocolate dipped pretzels and then I just put some peppermint candies on here. This is awesome. If you use a microwave or a stovetop to melt your chocolate, you have to be very cautious that you do not burn it. But with this, it is foolproof. All you have to do is turn it to the on section to warm it up. Once everything is melted inside, then you just move it over to the warming section. It's so easy to clean, this silicone liner, and what I also love about it, it has this spout so you can dump anything that you need to. Maybe you wanted to drizzle your chocolate rather than dip, depending upon what you want it to make. It has a nice cord here. I absolutely love this. This has got me excited about all my Christmas time baking. In fact, I'm going to be using this to make chocolate dip pretzels to serve with the teacher notepads, pens, and inspirational notepads. Let me take you back in this closet. We hosted Thanksgiving. My uncle said to me, that is not a closet, Andrea Jean. That is something else amazing. Very proud of this work. In fact, if anyone gives me a compliment on organizing and cleaning, it's the best compliment I could receive because that is my life's work. But check out this hat organizer. Amazing. You could also put your scarves on here like the ones that I showed you previously, but you could put so many different things on here. You could put your earmuffs, you can put your baseball caps, you can put your winter hats. Look at all of these options. They slide easily, and I just keep them here in my entryway closet where I have the kids' crafts and all of my cleaning supplies because we grab for these things when we are headed out the door. So cool. Taking you into my closet here, a nice plush robe is a must. I opted for the white, but it comes in multiple colors. This is so extremely soft and it washes up perfectly. It's belted. I also love that it has pockets if you want to put hair clips in here, your cell phone in here, basically anything in here. The price point is amazing. I love giving these away as gifts for guests that come to my house and stay because it just makes them feel a little bit more welcomed and at home, and they can take them. And because the price point is relatively good on these for a gift for your friends or your relatives, I absolutely cannot say enough good things about this. A beautiful gift set combination would be this beautiful robe. Again, it comes in multiple colors. I just hang it here on the back of my closet, but also the teacup and the coffee warmer that I showed you previously. If you haven't converted to an electric lighter, now is the time. I love that you can bend this depending upon what you're trying to light. You know, those big deep candles, sometimes it's hard to get your lighter in there. This is rechargeable easily. That way you do not have to throw them away and waste money. Let me show you how well this works. All you have to do is turn it on, and then you use this little button right here to get it going. So let's just blow this beautiful candle out, and I can show you exactly how it works. I have it turned on, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and push this button right here, and it will light it right back up like that. This is such an amazing gift with a beautiful candle set. Oh, when it comes to price, this is a steal in my opinion. You could also hook this on something depending upon how you wanted to organize it. Socks are an excellent gift because you can always use them. You wear them every day and I can never get enough of them. I'm gonna show you these fuzzy ones right here. It comes in multiple colors. They are so soft. I mean, don't you just want to put your foot in there right now? I love that it's a mid-rise, so it's not short and it's not too high that it's gonna creep down your ankle by the end of the day. Oh, I just feel these. This paired with the robe, yes, yes, yes. I'm actually wearing these right now, but these wool socks are amazing. It came in a pack. It has multiple colors, multiple different styles. They actually keep your feet warm, but not too warm so that your toes are not sweating incessantly. Super cute, super comfy. I wear them to bed. I wear them out. I wear them lounging around my home. Anyone on your list would love a cute pair of warm socks. Taking you here in my office. These are probably one of my favorite things that I have when it comes to decor. They're inspiring, they are beautiful, they are meaningful. So I'm going to show you each of these, and again, these are going to be linked in the description box below. This one says, "They whispered to her, 'You cannot withstand the storm. I am the storm,' she whispered back." And this one right here, "I adhere to the law of attraction, manifest to create something real from your imagination, to allow and trust the universe will bring you all that you desire and wish." And then again, you don't have to pair these three things together, but I thought they looked so beautifully. This one right here, "She remembered who she was and the game changed." Now, it did not come with the picture frame, but I did buy them on Amazon. Now, this one might seem a little silly, but it's an absolute must. I got this originally for my kids, but if you have someone that suffers from arthritis or you just want to shuffle your card deck faster, this is a game changer. All it requires is a battery, but you just put as many cards that you can fit on either side right here, and then you just hold this down. You get the point, and then you pull out your shuffled cards. Word of caution here, your kids or grandkids may find the card shuffler more fun and entertaining than the actual card game that you bought them. Let me take you into this beautiful cupboard right here. Now, I have showed you this egg maker I absolutely love, but this one is real fun too. If you want to make eating healthy easy, this is a must, especially if you have some fitness goals. By the way, if you are new, I do run a fitness channel here on YouTube with quick and effective home workouts that will be linked in the description box below. But inside here, you can make your very own egg bites, and you can also just put things directly on this big one here. If you wanted to make an egg, cheese, sausage sandwich in the morning, you can make these ahead of time, and then you can freeze them. You can refrigerate them. You can put veggies. You can put cheese. You can put sausage. You can basically put anything in these egg bites. Apparently, I didn't clean that very well, so thank you. But they're easy to clean. This is nice silicone. Rather than spend your money at Starbucks on their egg bites, you can make them at home and prepare ahead of time and feel amazing about the choices that you've made and what you're putting into your body. What's something that every person needs? Some sort of chapstick or lip balm. All the influencers online you will see talk about this product, so I thought to myself, well, I better try it out. I bought the sleeping mask, absolutely loved it, so then I needed to get this glossy lip balm in berry. It does come in multiple colors. It's very soothing soothing and glowy and saturating and moisture rich. This paired with the robe and the fuzzy socks would be an excellent gift combination idea. Let me just take you to my downstairs here. Got any plant lovers on your Christmas list? By the way, I kill almost everything that I buy. Plants, speaking of plants. And I wanted a way to, except for this one's living, this and my ferns, but I wanted a way to jazz up just my regular planter, and so I found these really beautiful baskets, and they're relatively inexpensive. You can use them indoor, you can use them outdoor. So if you're thinking of buying a plant, plant's usually a safe bet for someone, especially if it's a plant that's not very easy to kill, and then you put it in a beautiful basket, and it's great for your air quality in your home. I'm going to take you inside my office closet here and show you this laminator. You may not think that you need this until I show you all the reasons and ways that you can use this. For my daughter, she has certain pieces of artwork that she wanted to save, so she created this. I used the laminator. It came with multiple size laminating sheets, which is awesome. And did I mention the laminator is super fun to use? So anything that you want to preserve and maintain, you can use this laminator for. It's one of those gifts that people don't think that they need, and then once they get the laminator, they say to themselves, that thing is awesome. My kids and I love baths, so let me just show you in here. I like to try all the bubble baths and all of the bath bombs. This one is amazing by The Honest Company. It's the Truly Calming. I use this on my kids. I have a 2, 4, 6, and 8-year-old, in case you are curious. Naturally derived ingredients, tear-free, but I enjoy using this for myself as well. It comes in multiple flavors or smells, if you will. This is great paired with any of the other calming ideas that I showed you previously. The lip balm, the fuzzy socks, the robe, a silverware caddy. I've had this for a decent amount of time, and last time I checked, it's currently on sale. Maybe you want a cute way to display your silverware, or maybe you like to barbecue outside when it's in the warmer months and you want an easy way to transport your silverware. What I love about this is, hello, not only is it super cute and super durable, but it can hold your napkins. In fact, you could just leave this out in your kitchen if you have a small space or you just wanted a little extra decoration while you are cooking. It has these 2 beautiful durable handles on each side as well. If you have someone on your list that loves jewelry and accessories, well, let me show you this. This jewelry organizer is remarkable and the quality is amazing. Nice top right here, easy to clean, shall you need to. 50 slots, and there's also compartments back in here. You can hang necklaces, you can hang bracelets. This pops out. My daughter uses this for all of her earrings. You can see here she hasn't even filled this up because there are so many fun compartments inside here, but it's just a great way to keep everything organized. This also would look beautifully displayed on a dresser, a desk, or anywhere really. Let me take you in my closet here and show you one of my other favorite things. This blue fleece hoodie is to die for. It's gorgeous to wear out and about. You can wear it lounging around your home if you just want to have a cozy, snuggly day, if you want to be out running errands. I love this. It comes in multiple colors. You can see that it washes up beautifully. I love the little drawstring detail here on the hood. It's a half zip, so up or down depending upon how you want to wear this. I love that it has pockets. Anything that has pockets is a plus in my book. This paired with the fuzzy socks, the lip balm, love that. This next gift is super practical but cute. You know, I love those 2 things in combination. We're just gonna walk here into my pantry, and yes, my pantry does look this organized with 6 people in my family on a regular basis because I have a system in place. But look beside my door. This step stool I use all around the first level of my home. I use it particularly here in my pantry, but I love the bamboo style on it, and it's relatively tall. I'm 5'7". You can see it comes here to my waist. It is so easy to open. It's lightweight, you can see, yet it's still sturdy so that I can put my hand on here if I want to, and I can climb to the top of my pantry where it's not quite as organized. Again, I use this probably almost every single day, but I didn't want an ugly step stool. I wanted one that was really cute, and then it just folds up really nicely. You can see that I'm doing that with one hand, and I'm just going to put it back here behind my door. There's still time for you to grab your stress-free holiday planner, so head on over to AndreaJeanCleaning.com or linked in that description box below. If you want to see additional gift ideas, click this video on screen now, or how about this one? Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.